You guys, this is new for me and I'm trying really hard. The video went off. I was trying to add and I'm learning. So I've learned that you cannot connect the videos on YouTube. That's what I thought I was going to be able to do. So that's why I have all these part ones, part twos, part threes. I apologize. Bear with me. I'm working on trying to get myself together. I'm just starting, so bear with me. So I put the base down. What I'm going to do next, and I don't have any more of two of the colors, so I'm hoping that this works out because I won't be able to do it over again. So let's start. Let's see. The first color I'm going to start with is going to be the Decoart 24 karat gold. Okay. And I have a terrible phone. I have no storage. I've been trying to delete stuff so that I could do a video to put on here for you guys. And I've been having a time. I've been trying all morning and it's afternoon now. And I'm going to try to blow this one out with my mouth and see if it works. We'll see what happens. We'll see what kind of results we get. We'll learn together. So I'm just going to make sure I get any bubbles. But you know what? The last time, yeah, I do have bubbles. I'm gonna get this bubble. That's what I was gonna tell you. Seems like once you hit it with the fire, the torch, I'm sorry, to do the bubbles, it creates the little bubbles already, and I don't know if that makes a difference or not. Let's try to blow it out. And let's see what happens. See, try to do this. The phone in my hand. I don't have a tripod yet, so I'm trying. Bear with me. Let's see what happens. I need to try to get you in a good frame. Hold on just a second.